Imagine a battlefield where machines can see through darkness, vehicles move without drivers, drones operate with little or no human control, and invisible energy can stop threats before they ever reach their target. This isn't science fiction anymore. Military technology is rapidly evolving around artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, robotics, advanced sensors, electronic warfare, and directed energy weapons. And the most incredible part? Some of these technologies are already being tested in real military environments right now. From machines that can make decisions in seconds to systems designed to detect and defeat entire drone swarms, the battlefield of tomorrow is taking shape today. So get ready to discover 20 military technologies you've probably never seen, because some of them look like they came straight out of a science fiction movie. Lockheed Martin AMAZE 360-degree dome. Lockheed Martin AMAZE is a futuristic visual display system designed to transform military flight training. Instead of traditional projectors and mirrors, it uses direct-view LED panels and a specialized light relay to create an immersive 360-degree environment. The system delivers up to twice the brightness and contrast of projector-based designs, while requiring less space and maintenance. Its modular architecture allows damaged LED panels to be replaced quickly, and pixels are rated for more than 100,000 hours. AMAZE can support realistic day, night, weather, and mission scenarios, helping pilots train in highly immersive virtual environments. AeroVironment MAYHEM 10. AeroVironment MAYHEM 10 is a futuristic autonomous launched effects system designed to operate from air, ground, and maritime platforms. Its modular architecture can support ISR, electronic warfare, communications relay, decoy, or precision strike missions, giving operators multiple options from one platform. It carries up to a 10-pound payload, reaches speeds above 120 miles per hour, and offers up to 100 kilometers of range with more than 50 minutes of endurance. AI-enabled autonomy helps it operate through jamming, spoofing, and navigation-denied environments, while collaborative swarm capabilities allow multiple systems to coordinate their missions. Rheinmetall Multi-Mission Rifle. Rheinmetall's highly advanced multi-mission rifle, or HAMR, is a next-generation 40mm precision grenadier system designed to give infantry greater range, accuracy, and flexibility. Built around the SSW-40 platform, it combines a semi-automatic, magazine-fed design with advanced fire control and programmable ammunition. Its 40mm rounds can provide airburst, multi-mission, and high explosive effects, while the integrated system improves first-round hit probability and enables engagements beyond traditional grenade launcher ranges. Rheinmetall developed the weapon, ammunition, and fire control components together, creating a tightly integrated system optimized for rapid, precise infantry fire. Textron Systems Damocles. Textron Systems Damocles is a next-generation loitering munition designed for autonomous or semi-autonomous search and strike missions. Its VTOL configuration requires no launch or recovery equipment, while its Gen 2 explosively formed penetrator warhead provides top attack capability. Advanced features include day and night automatic target recognition, GPS denied operation, autonomous tracking, and human-in-the-loop control. Its modular open systems approach allows different payloads, including electronic warfare capabilities, to be integrated for changing missions. Damocles also uses hardened communications and cyber-resilient command and control technologies. In 2026, Textron Systems received a US Army prototype agreement for lasso demonstrations. Leonardo Proteus technology. Leonardo Proteus is a next-generation autonomous helicopter technology demonstrator developed for the Royal Navy, designed to explore uncrewed maritime operations. It can operate without a pilot, using onboard sensors, computers, and autonomous software to understand its environment and perform flight tasks. Its modular payload bay can carry more than 1,000 kilograms of equipment, supporting missions such as anti-submarine warfare, surveillance, logistics, and intelligence gathering. Advanced features include AI-assisted mission planning, autonomous takeoff and landing, collision avoidance, all-weather operation, onboard data processing, and health monitoring. Proteus completed its maiden flight in January 2026. KNDS Mars 3. KNDS Mars 3 is a next-generation multi-domain rocket artillery system designed for highly mobile, long-range precision fires. Its fully autonomous launcher features automatic target acquisition and a shoot-and-scoot capability for rapid repositioning after firing. A major advantage is its open architecture. Mars 3 can use different rockets and missiles rather than being tied to one ammunition manufacturer. The system can reach an effective firing range of up to 300 kilometers and can fire 12 rockets in about 60 seconds. It can also operate from different vehicle platforms and supports autonomous ammunition resupply. Temerland Gnom L2. Temerland Gnom L2 is a new unmanned ground vehicle designed to move heavy military supplies across difficult terrain while keeping personnel away from dangerous resupply routes. Its reinforced cargo platform can carry up to 210 kilograms, while a hybrid wheel and track system improves mobility over rough surfaces. The electric UGV reaches around 7 miles per hour and reportedly offers up to 31 miles of range per charge. It is remotely operated using dedicated hot RC equipment rather than autonomous navigation. Currently undergoing field evaluation, the Gnome L2 is focused primarily on logistics and frontline cargo transport. Helsing CA-1 Europa. Helsing CA-1 Europa is a next-generation autonomous uncrewed combat aircraft designed for high-intensity missions without putting a pilot at risk. Developed in the 3 to 5 ton class, it combines a low observable airframe with Helsing's SteerAI pilot for autonomous mission execution. The aircraft can operate independently or as part of a swarm, while its modular architecture supports new sensors, self-protection systems, electronic warfare equipment, and effectors. It features an internal weapons bay and is designed for high subsonic flight. The CA-1 is currently under development, with first attack version flights planned for 2027. Saab HEAT 758. Saab HEAT 758 is a new anti-tank round developed for the Carl Gustaf weapon system, specifically designed to defeat heavily armored vehicles protected by explosive reactive armor. Its tandem warhead uses a precursor charge to neutralize ERA before the main charge penetrates the vehicle's primary armor. Saab says the main charge can defeat up to 700 millimeters of armor. Another standout feature is firebolt technology, which allows the ammunition to communicate with the Carl Gustaf M4 and fire control device 558, reducing operator workload and improving first round hit probability. Production is underway. AIRCOHN AT620. AIRCOHN AT620 is a compact handheld counter UAV system designed to detect, track, and disrupt drone threats at the individual soldier level. Its integrated architecture combines 360-degree detection, direction finding, tracking, and software-defined radio jamming in one portable unit. AIRCOHN states that it can detect drones up to 3 kilometers away and provide directional countermeasures up to 2 kilometers. The system can disrupt flight control, video transmission, and navigation signals, while adaptive jamming supports conventional UAVs and DIYFPV drones. It weighs under 7 kilograms, uses a replaceable lithium battery, and has an IP54 rating. Armor Bionic NAVI Rover. Armor Bionic NAVI Rover is an intelligent unmanned ground vehicle designed for rugged outdoor environments and autonomous field operations. Its 6 independently driven and steered wheel units provide exceptional mobility, while AI-powered sensor fusion helps the rover perceive terrain, avoid obstacles, and navigate with limited GPS availability. NAVI supports a modular payload system with a capacity of up to 200 kilograms, making it suitable for logistics, inspection, mapping, security, and defense missions. Its onboard edge computing enables low-latency decision-making without constant cloud connectivity, while thermal, vision, LiDAR, and navigation sensors enhance situational awareness. Turkish Aerospace Industries, ANKA 3. Turkish Aerospace Industries. ANKA 3 is a tailless, jet-powered unmanned combat aircraft designed for low observable operations and high-speed missions. Its flying wing configuration reduces radar visibility, while a turbofan engine enables speeds up to 425 knots, or Mach 0.7. The aircraft has a 6,500 kilogram maximum takeoff weight, carries up to 1,200 kilograms of payload, and can remain airborne for up to 10 hours at 30,000 feet. Features include 2 internal and 5 external payload stations, AI-enabled swarm technology, manned-unmanned teaming, electronic warfare systems, and precision-guided weapons. Thales RapidStriker. Thales RapidStriker is a new generation mobile counter-drone system unveiled in 2026, designed to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats within seconds. Its 360-degree radar, electro-optical and infrared sensors, and automated fire control system provide comprehensive threat detection and sensor fusion. The vehicle-mounted platform can use guided or unguided 68mm and 70mm rockets, a small caliber cannon, remotely operated ammunition, and an electronic warfare jammer. It can be integrated onto various high-mobility combat vehicles and connected to wider air defense networks. Thales plans full system testing by the end of 2026, with production targeted for 2027. Ondas MODUS. And Ondas MODUS is a new modular counter-UAS technology designed to protect dismounted troops and maneuvering ground forces against low-altitude drone threats. Unveiled at Eurosatory 2026, it forms part of Ondas's broader autonomous defense architecture, combining sensing, protection, and response capabilities close to the operational edge. MODUS is designed to integrate autonomous systems and provide rapid threat awareness and response while reducing the workload on frontline personnel. Its modular architecture allows different sensors, effectors, and autonomous capabilities to be incorporated for changing missions, making it a flexible platform for modern battlefield protection. SteerAI xRift. SteerAI xRift is a fully autonomous all-terrain vehicle designed for military, logistics, and surveillance missions across rugged terrain. Its cab-free design features a flat modular utility deck capable of carrying up to 500 kilograms of payload, including ISR equipment, supplies, or mission systems. Powered by the AI-based CoreX autonomous driving system, xRift combines perception, localization, navigation, and decision-making to operate without a driver. The vehicle produces 225 horsepower and reaches a maximum unmanned speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Production units are expected to be ready for deployment by the end of 2026. Lockheed Martin MORFIUS X-Rotor. Lockheed Martin MORFIUS X-Rotor is a futuristic airborne counter-drone system designed to defeat large drone swarms using high-power microwave technology. Unlike conventional interceptors, it can disable multiple drones electronically, rather than relying on explosive warheads. The reusable system is designed to neutralize more than 50 enemy drones during a single flight, while its sensor and command and control agnostic architecture allows integration with different defense networks. MORFIUS X-Rotor can be recovered and reused in the field, helping reduce cost per engagement. Lockheed Martin is accelerating prototype production and planning additional flight testing. Mehler SCILT CUAV system. Mehler SCILT is a close-range active counter UAS system designed to protect military vehicles from FPV drones, loitering munitions, and other small aerial threats. It combines sensors, effector modules, and vehicle-integrated control logic to create a final defensive layer against attacks from low angles and nearby directions. SCILT provides 360-degree coverage, 3 alert levels, and sector-based operation. Its effectors use commercially available shotgun-caliber ammunition with scalable projectile options. The initial system uses a human-in-the-loop architecture, while future versions are planned to introduce greater automation. Teledyne Black Recon. Teledyne FLIR Black Recon is an autonomous micro-drone system designed to give military vehicles persistent aerial reconnaissance without exposing crews. The system can autonomously launch, recover, and recharge up to 3 drones in rotation, enabling continuous surveillance. Each drone weighs under 450 grams, can fly for 50 to 60 minutes, reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, and operate at ranges of around 6 kilometers. Thermal and visible light sensors provide real-time imagery, while visual navigation enables operation in GNSS-denied environments. Automatic path planning and collision avoidance further reduce operator workload during missions. Patria WISPR. Patria WISPR is a new passive counter-battery radar introduced in 2026 to detect, track, and locate incoming artillery shells, mortar bombs, and rockets without revealing its own position. Using passive coherent location technology, it has no transmitters, instead exploiting existing digital television signals as illumination sources. Its advanced antenna arrays and passive signal processing provide more than 100 degrees of azimuth coverage with a high update rate. WISPR can operate independently or alongside active radars as a silent cueing sensor. It can also perform air surveillance against UAVs and other aerial threats.